Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, class, for the lesson today, I will explain to you one of the tools that I use for the education 4.0, such as Padlet. Okay, before that, I will explain to you what's the meaning of the Padlet. Padlet is a free application to create an online bulletin board that user can use to display information for any topic. Okay, by using this software, we can easily create account and put a new board, add image, link, video, and more. Okay, next I will show to you how to use the Padlet. Okay, the first step, go to the Google and then type padlet.com. Okay, after that, the pop-up below will display. Okay, firstly you make a click button. Oh, okay, sorry, because I already have the Padlet application, so I need to log out first. Okay, there are several methods to login the Padlet. Okay, firstly, you can go login by using the Google. Okay, you can also login by using the Facebook, or also can login by Microsoft. Okay, then or you can login by enter your email or username and also password. Okay, if you already have a password, then just click the login button. Okay, for example, I already have the account. I click the by Google. Okay, and then I use my Google account. Okay, that's next will show this pop-up windows. Okay, to start the Padlet, okay, firstly you click the make button. Okay, next you go to the wall. Okay, this wall is a function to display in your Padlet. Then click the select button. Okay, now they will start your Padlet. Okay, so they have a display like this one. Okay, next you go to the title and enter your title. For example, subject DMT 114 plus engineering science. Okay, this one. Okay, just go to what's the description for the subject. Next, you can choose what the wallpaper that you're interested. Okay, for example, I choose this one. Okay, next go to the next button. Okay, so this function is to display either this one is a privacy or you can display to everyone. Okay, for example, this one I just go to public because I want all my students can display the class. Okay, go to the next. Okay, now you can start the posting. Okay, what's the step? Next step is you just go to the plus button here. Okay, double click, or you can click at any paper, any wall. Okay, this app is to upload the notes or video or attachment or tutorial or assignment that you give to the student. Okay, for example, I want to upload the photo. Just go to the snap. Okay, on your camera. Okay, sorry, I cannot use both camera in the same time. Okay, so I close the camera. Okay, just double click. Okay, next you can attach a file or URL. You can also choose more. For example, you will enter the link Okay, upload the files from your computer and many more. Okay, for example, I want to upload from my computer, just pick a file. Okay. Okay, that's the function of the palette. Okay, any question?